In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets to your desktop. This is a handy skill to have because it allows you to access and edit your Google Sheets files even when you're not connected to the internet. So let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. To get started, you'll first want to head over to your Google Drive. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see all your files neatly organized, including any Google Sheets you've been working on. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a small gear icon. Give that a click. This icon is your gateway to all sorts of settings and preferences that you can adjust. After clicking on the gear icon, a menu will appear, providing several options to choose from. What we're interested in right now is setting up Google Drive for offline access. So, you'll need to scroll down through these options until you reach the one labeled Offline. Once you find it, there will be a checkbox next to the word. Simply click to check this box. What this does is enable offline access, allowing you to download and use Google Sheets files on your desktop without needing an internet connection. This is the key step that makes everything else possible. With offline access enabled, you can now go about your usual work, knowing that you can work on any Sheets document offline. Since this feature is integrated directly within Google Drive, it ensures that your open documents are available even when you lose connectivity. Let me give you an example of what you can expect once you've enabled this function. When you open a document while you're offline, you'll notice a small message in the top left corner of your window that reads "Working offline." This indicates that while you're currently without an internet connection, any changes you make will be saved locally. The great thing is, as soon as you reconnect to the internet, Google Sheets will automatically update and save your changes to the online version of the document. This seamless process ensures that you'll never lose any of your work, and everything you've done offline will be safely uploaded once your connection is restored. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've set up Google Sheets to be accessed and edited from your desktop, without reliance on a constant internet connection. This can greatly enhance your productivity, especially if you find yourself in areas with spotty internet coverage, or if you like to work while traveling. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep practicing to become even more proficient with useful tech skills like this one.